Windows 10 officially reached its end of support on October 14, 2025, but wait, this doesn't mean your PC is done for. Microsoft just launched a new program called Extended Security Updates, ESU, letting you extend Windows 10 support for one more year, and yes, it costs $30. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to buy or get it for free, how to enroll your device, and what you need to know before paying. ESU, or Extended Security Updates, is Microsoft's paid program that keeps your Windows 10 PC safe from new security threats even after official support ends. You can pay $29.99, or in some cases, use Microsoft Rewards points to get it for free. This program extends updates till October 13, 2026. In the European Union, users can get Windows 10 ESU free just by linking their Microsoft account. But for users in the US or outside the EU, you'll need to sync your settings to OneDrive or buy it for $30. If you have 1,000 Microsoft Rewards points, you can redeem those too. Let's see how to actually purchase it. Go to Settings, click on Windows Update and then Extended Security Updates. Click Enroll Now, and link your Microsoft account. It'll redirect you to the Microsoft Store. On the store page, you'll see the product titled Windows 10 Consumer Extended Security Updates, ESU. Click the $29.99 option, then continue to the payment page. Enter your card details, and confirm the purchase. Note, the price doesn't include taxes, so depending on your country, the total may be a bit higher. Also, this is a one-time payment, not a subscription. It only extends security updates for 1 year. Some users have noticed a free trial option next to the paid plan. When you click it, it starts downloading files to enroll your PC into ESU, no payment needed. You'll see a progress bar and then a notification confirming the installation. However, Microsoft hasn't explained this feature yet. It might just be a temporary bug or test program. If your PC can't upgrade to Windows 11, the ESU program is the best option to stay protected for 1 more year. But if your device supports Windows 11, or if you're planning to buy a new Copilot Plus PC, it's better to upgrade instead of paying again next year. So that's how you can extend Windows 10's life until 2026 for just $30, or maybe even free if you qualify. Would you pay for 1 more year, or finally move to Windows 11? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your Windows 10 friends.